Once again, guys, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell notification to get all my updates. So guys, in today's video, I will show you how to hold all inappropriate comments from showing to your channel. In the previous videos, I did show you how to disable or enable the comments, but in this one I will show you how to hold inappropriate comments from showing. Okay, so first, the same thing we did. If you didn't see the video, so I'm gonna show you. First, you will need to click on your channel logo right here on the upper right corner where it says Creator Studio. Click right here. Then we are not in Creator Studio. To your right, click where it says Community. Then down to Community, you will see where it says Community Setting. Then click on Community Setting. Okay, so we will have to scroll all the way down. This is where the miracle happened, guys. So now, as you can see, in my channel, I have that button already select. If you don't have it already select, let me click on it, you'll see what happened. Right here, you will have to click where it says hold potentially inappropriate comments for view. So before these comments are showing to your channel, you will have the opportunity to review them. This is a good thing because you will know exactly what is going on, what kind of bad comments people leave you. You can delete them. And up here you have the first option, which is the comment for the new videos. And down here you have the comment for the discussion tab. And down here you have the chat. When you're doing a live, for example, if someone leave you a very bad comment, something that is very inappropriate, you can hold it for review. Okay, after you select this, either this one, the first one, or the second one, or the third one, it's up to you. You will have to go all the way up to your upper right corner. Then you will have to click save. As soon as you click save, every time someone leave you an inappropriate comment, you will be able to review that comment before you let it show to your channel. Okay, no one will be able to see it but you. Okay guys, once again, thank you for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to thumbs up. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you back to the next video. If you look at to your right or to your left, you will see two different videos. At the end of that video, you can either choose one of them so you can continue watching. Thank you guys. Take care.